Our subtle body is made up of 12 major energy vortices known as the Dwadasha chakras. There are 6 higher Anda chakras and 6 lower Pinda chakras. The 6 Pinda chakras, namely Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha and Ajna, offer us an excellent opportunity for contemplation and meditation. Chakra Pranayama. The first of the concentration practices is the Shat Chakra Pranayama that can be done from any meditative sitting posture such as Vajrasana. While breathing in, visualize pranic energy rising from the base of your spine up through the 6 chakras situated along the cerebrospinal axis. While you breathe out, visualize the prana coming down through the same 6 chakras. Imagine that your body is a 6-storied building and the prana is rising and descending on an elevator. A held in and held out breath can be added appropriately at the back of the brow center, the Ajna chakra, and at the base of the spine, the Mooladhara chakra. Chakra meditation. This meditative sitting is best done facing north or east. The performance of a few rounds of deep and conscious breathing in Shavasana prior to this meditative sitting can serve to enhance its effect drastically. Kneel in the Vajrasana or take up any sitting posture in which you are absolutely certain that the spine is yogically erect so that the energy can move upwards in an effortless and smooth manner. Do some deep chakra pranayama. As you come up through the chakras, starting from the base of the spine and through to beyond the top of the head, try to become aware of each of these centers. With practice and inner growth, these centers will start to become conscious centers filling with light, sound and color. When the breath is completely filled in and you are in the Sahasrara chakra beyond the top of the head, hold your breath in a prana kumbhaka, a held in breath for a lengthy period of time. Slowly let the breath out and keep your concentration in that 1000-petal lotus chakra. Let the breath take on any form that it wishes and simply hold the idea that you are sitting in the midst of a beautiful 1000-petaled pink lotus. Hold that idea as long as you can, repeating the visualization over and over until a pleasing sensation of being suspended comes about.